share, subscribe, the bell please. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's a lot of people. So, good morning guys. We arrived here in Siargao port and we're heading to Dapa. Looks so hard. The boat ride is about 8 hours and we are trying to catch some boat for Dapa. And it's early in the morning, so you have to go early. Hi MJ. Okay, so good morning. We are here in the boat with MJ. And then we're heading to Siargao, Dapa. And so we paid for 280 pesos for economy. Tourist is 320 and business class is 350.
I've been high, I've been low, I've been chasing all the things I never had before. All the way down, I found a place where
Okay, so we arrived here in Dapa. The boat ride is about 2 hours and 30 minutes and then boat docking for 10 minutes. So it's almost like 3 hours already because it's been like we arrived here at 2:30. Miss Hoodie. And then so we are going to take tricycle. The minimum fare is about 200 to 250 or 150. It depends if you're gonna have some good what you call that? Ask for discount for local people. Okay, so we are here in the tricycle. So the tricycle fare is 100 pesos for both of us. But I am surprised that some of the drivers told us for 60 pesos for the two of us. So it's basically 30 pesos per person. But it's questionable because they said they lowered the price. So normally this is the gasoline here. Okay, so now we are heading for lunch. I think this is the brunch. Lunch and early, I mean no, it's like late breakfast and then early lunch. This is a brunch. Where again?
In Siargao Cafe Corner.
Okay, against the light man. Like camera bummer. So this is our breakfast, waffle with bacon, 99 pesos. Okay, so now we are heading to Cloud9. We are going to go swim right there and have some swimming.
Kandi ako be.
Okay, so we are here in the Cloud9. There's a lot of people surfing but no waves. So we decided not to do surfing because it's low tide, and later on at 5 after sunset it's gonna be high tide. But probably we will go surfing in the next couple days. Yeah, right, honey?
Yes, honey. But there's a lot of food here.
Yes, there's a lot of
Vitamins in the eyes. The sea is a vitamin in the eyes. I joke.
I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. A sparkle in a diamond and the southern sunset. Oh, oh, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I go wrong.
So we are here in Mama's Grill. Hi ate! So we are here in Mama's Grill and this is the choices. That one. And there's a lot of people. Puppy, how are you? Face to mama. Ooh, so cute. So good morning. We are here now in our homestay. This one, let's go, Kanihugan. And then we are heading for island hopping today. And the 3 islands. I know I've been there many times, but I really want to go there again and again since I'm here in Siargao and I love that islands. Let's go.
Whoa. You need to pay me for this. Be right. You have to call my manager.
Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity. Sun shining, it's a new day. Gotta play it cool, keep my head up above the water. Yeah, it's all I gotta do. Quit drinking all that shit till I see the horizon. And when everything is so damn hard, I'll work through it. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. No more. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with.
Bottle of GoPro. Ano nindot siya? I don't have questions. I have no get naked na.
Focus. Marine snakes, they're from the dark very.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where.
Finally.
I think we are gonna head back now to the mainland.
I've been up, I've been down, I've been taking chances that I never took before. All the way.
Okay, so we are now leaving Let's Go Kandihugan Hostel. We are heading to the next hostel also, which is very cheap also, and I will show you a little bit the room. Hi honey. Oh my god, why? Where did you find it?
That.
Where did you find it?
There in the
Thank you. Table. Okay, so you cover it with your thing.
I did not.
Okay, so this is the bathroom right here. This area, this one is the shower room. This is the bathroom, and then this is the kitchen that you can cook something right here. And they have refrigerator also. And so the owner was very kind to us. Extend our stay because in the first day we didn't catch the first boat, so it's so nice to know that. Some hotel doesn't do that, the hostel doesn't do that, but we're happy. And we're happy our stay here. And it's close also to General Luna, the center area. Bye-bye.
She's leaving me. She's leaving me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mom. Bye. Amping. Oh, she's leaving me with 2 luggage. She's gonna get a tricycle for us. It's actually raining. Hopefully it's not gonna rain so bad. But I think it's gonna be a relaxing day today. It's raining men. Hallelujah. The tricycle stopped working and it's raining. Look at this rain. We're almost there. Yeah. But it wouldn't start anymore. Woo, yay.
On the highest mountain, I found a place where I can drop the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you